Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add an order tracking page on Shopify. Let's get started. First, go to pastebin.com where you can find the code for your tracking order. You can just simply type in your Google search bar Pastebin order tracking page. Then click on raw, then copy this whole code. Next, log into your Shopify account and go to your dashboard. On the left panel, click on Online Store, click Pages, then click on Add Page up here. In here, input a title, for example, input in Track Your Order. In the consent section, click on the Show HTML icon right here, then paste the whole code inside the text box. Next, in the visibility section, set your page as visible, then click on Save up here. After that, go to Content here in the left panel, click on Menus, then click Main Menu. In here, click on Add Menu Item, then label it as Track Your Order. Then in the link section, go to Pages, then select this Track Your Order page that you just created. Then click Save. And that is how you can add an order tracking page on Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.